G'day, you good dunce. How you doing, Jupers? Let's see, I gotta edit this. I forgot to edit the YouTube title. There we go. Easy done. Okay. I think we are looking good. I think. I can't see what the overlay is doing, but I'm assuming it's behaving today. I did some more overlay updates during the break there. Updated to a new version of Twitcher. What up, Avinity? You can claim first, Avinity. You can claim first. Get on it. How are the French fries, Jupers? Are they good? Are they tasty? Are they awesome? I think that's all correct. That's all correct. Cool. Oh, the Decimator got first. Unfortunate. Unfortunate you didn't get it, Avinity. Didn't get it. You lost. Now the best you can do is second. I started watching a new show called Preacher. Well, it's not a new show, it's an old show, but I only just found out about it. Started watching it and I was like, this seems stupid. First has been redeemed, but can't redeem anything else from it. Wait, what? Really? Okay. I have a feeling I know what's happened. Manage redemptions. Oh, hang on. No, that. Edit. Got manage redemptions already. It has manage redemptions, so it should update them. It's got read redemptions as well. This is gonna happen. Sit with pre-roll ad and then a 3-minute ad. Yeah, before the 3-minute ads run, the pre-roll ads run. That's how it's always worked. That is why I run the ads within like the first 3 minutes, so that people don't get hit with pre-roll like the first half hour. Okay. Let's see here. If I go into my channel redeems and I increase that, it's the first thing that we're debugging. Set it to second. Oh, it's in emote only still as well, isn't it? Okay, so the entire overlay is not working. Why is the overlay not working? Okay, someone redeem second. Hasn't updated to third. Okay. So... we have an issue. Add-ons Twitcher Twitch service. I updated Twitcher. But now it's all broken and busted. So nothing's being received. Fuck's sake. What up, Cove? How you doing? Events handler. The Discord notify didn't go off either. Nothing's working. What the freaking shit? Why is nothing working? What has broken in this goddamn overlay? For fuck's sake. Third-party software. I need to write my own stuff. Connect Twitch. That does that. I can see that those things printed out. Successfully authenticated. Authenticated is me. Yep. Yep. I updated Twitcher, and now everything's fucked, basically. What was that? Maybe I should just write all of it myself. That would save updates breaking things. It'd take a lot longer though. Would take a lot longer. So much longer. Twitch settings. Okay, so we have Twitch settings. Reward placed. Reward redeemed. Alright. See what happens. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Nothing. I love how I titled the stream Monday Night Coding, and I put up a post saying nothing chaotic happening tonight, just a relaxing coding session. And then this happens. Yeah. Why? Whoops. Oopsies. Oopsie doopsie. It's not an oopsie, it's a why do I still use third-party stuff? That's what it is. Whoops. Didn't receive it. Oopsies. It's not receiving them. Oopsie doopsie. Why not? Is it? What the shit? It's not like there's any way I can test this. Like, a lot of this stuff can't be tested. It goes to Twitch event sub. Why is it going that far up? Let's see. Print debug. Let's see, rated. Event sub. Let's see if that prints anything. Stop. So it does have an event sub node for all of this stuff. Okay. So we know that that event sub exists after setup. Let's see, Twitch settings. You have reward redeemed. Event sub. Where are you called from? Which setup? What up, Orchrus? There's music. There is literally music, Bongo. Oh no, can't redeem second. I know, Orchrus, I'm working on it. But where's the Twitch settings setup being called? There it is. That's where it gets called. Oh my god, fuck off. Oh, fuck off. God damn. Neovim. Just, fuck's sake. Why is everything breaking tonight? Just fucking just work. Oh god. Maybe I should put it back into emote only. Yes. Everything's broken. Yes. Stop fucking mentioning it. No, we're not doing that. That one. God damn it. Not in the mood right now. Not in the mood for stupid shit. I just want stuff to fucking work. Timed out. Timed out. When we launch it, we connect this up. How is this not being hit? The only thing I can think of is that the event is not actually connecting. It seems like I need hardcore focus right now. Have a good coding session. I do need to. Because I updated my overlay to a new version of Twitcher, and now everything's decided to not work, so now I have to fucking fix it all. And I just want it to work. I just want one third-party product to just work without everything breaking. Is that too much? Is that too much? Like just one. Okie dokie. Why isn't the event received? Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Piss off. Get rid of him. Don't need him. Don't need him, don't want him. I'm gonna reload. Okay. So, we want redemptions. We want raids. Well, no, we don't want to manage raids. We don't want to manage ads. These are all the same things that I had selected before. Like, I know the chat side of things is working. Yes, it is Hyperland. I did not join the Brackies Jam, no. I did not. Read shoutouts, manage shoutouts. Followers, chat messages, shield mode, chat settings, chat messages. Channel read subscriptions, manage redemptions. Okay, we're gonna save those, close that. Preset overlay scopes. Validate. All seems to be good. Default auth. All right. I have a feeling that's going to work now. All right, let's pop that open. Edit this. Third. Save. Alright, now if someone redeems third, this should hopefully work. If it doesn't work, then I don't know what the issue is. Where are those handlebars? I can't even see the handlebars. These ones. Oh, you can't see the cam at the moment, can you? Alright, so you redeemed third, but it didn't update it. Why? Why does Twitcher not work? Why? Why does this want to be such a piece of shit? Read redemptions. Manage redemptions. Chat messages, shield mode, shoutouts, chat messages, followers, shoutouts. What would the issue be? What would the issue be? Twitch API docs. Let's see, channel follow. Channel point custom reward ad. No, redemption ad. Stream online and stream offline. Stream online subscription type, stream offline subscription type. I don't see a stream online or a stream offline subscription type. So how am I supposed to get that? Save them. Advanced. There is no stream. Is there a new API I should be using? Like, is there a new event sub I should be using? Like, not that I can see. Alright, screw it. Here's what we're gonna do. So that's the one I grabbed. Doesn't work. This is the one that I was using. So we're just going to revert back to that. Okay. Don't save. What is Twitcher? It's a package that handles the event sub stuff and whatnot with Twitch. Now I need to get this stuff again. So what I need to do... Over here, I need to go to Twitch Dev. I need to go to my console. I need to go to my overlay. I need to manage it. I need to get the client ID. Create a new secret. Paste that in there. Alright. Never heard of it until now. That's fine. Revoke the token. Reload. So see how that's not working. Switcher setup. Edit. Read ads. I'm not going to bother with hype trains. Redemptions. Followers. Manage shield mode. Manage and read chat settings. Manage chat messages. Read and manage shoutouts. Channel read subscriptions. Save them out. Reload the project. Don't actually show it to a bunch of tech guys on the internet. I'm not. Validate. Reload. Now the fact it's not reloading is annoying. Why isn't it reloading? That's correct and that's correct. I just generated that brand new. Why? Just fucking reload the goddamn token. That's all you need to fucking do. Your one job is to take the credentials I give you and connect to fucking WebSockets. That's your job. How can you not do that? Oh my god. No, the servers aren't down. You just don't need to throw out suggestions. Anything you throw out, 99.9% is not going to be the issue. Okay? So just don't worry. Just let me fix it. It's the same thing as every other time, unless I'm asking how to do something in Godot. All of my questions are rhetorical. Why does this not want to validate the fucking token? I know the token's valid. I'm gonna trash this entire overlay in a second and just build everything in fucking assembly. Save them. Save them. Are they saved? I think they're saved. No, apparently not. Why do I bother? The actual Twitch API GD failed. Oh, that's great. It says login success over there. Oh, God. Could not find type that. So I can't revert to an old version of Twitcher because it just doesn't work. And I can't update to the new version of Twitcher because it doesn't work. How are these failing? Alright, you know what? Piss that off. Fuck that off completely. Just completely nuke the thing. Move you over. It's all we need. Let's not dick around with shit. Okay. Time to regenerate my secret token for the 14th time. Hopefully this time it just works. There's the secret. There's the client. Okay. Of course you, for some reason, like to go behind. Redemptions, raid subscriptions, chat messages, chat settings, field modes, shoutouts, chat and chat. Manage chat messages. Read ads. Save them. Save them out. Okay. So let's see. The scopes. Validate them. They seem to be okay. Cool. Go in here. Token. Reload info. Why are you not reloading the info? Login successful. Why aren't you being successful? Just why? Connect. Login success. Says it's okay. Login successful. Window closed. Nothing happens. Doesn't say it was successful or anything. So... credentials are not invalid. What type of fentanyl is my PC smoking? New secret. Copy. Paste the secret. Login success. Closed. Oh my god. What up, Dex? How are the credentials invalid? What the fuck are you even talking about? I gotta wait a minute before trying. Fuck's sake. There we go. So Twitch your login success. Redirect. Nothing. Oh. I'm about to quit everything. I'm about to just become a fucking gameplay streamer. I can stop dealing with Twitch and their shit ass APIs. Login success. That closes. And it says the credentials are invalid, even though I literally just generated this secret like 30 seconds ago. So how are the credentials invalid? It's a fresh secret token. Quit project list. And a reopen. So we deleted all of the credentials. We go here. Copy the client ID. Paste it. That's correct. Copy the secret key. Paste it. Credentials are saved, but the test button doesn't become active. So now we open this. Test. Login success. Credentials at fucking hell. It's the exact same credentials that we had just before. Oh. Invalid access property or key authorized on a base object type nil. What does that even mean? Do another export. I don't like that it's giving me errors when I export. I don't like that it's giving me that. I don't trust that. Okay. So someone can redeem fourth. I would imagine that would change to late. No. Hasn't updated it. Alright, well, that's good. So everything in the overlay is just fucked from this point forward, basically. I've got to spend a bunch of time trying to fix it instead of fixing the bugs in the game. Because nothing just wants to fucking work. So why does that not... Why does that not get the... in redeem? Why does it just not get the redeem? It's not like there's anything else I can test it with. I'm going to reset it to first. Right, someone redeem first for me. It can be anyone. Even someone that's already redeemed. No, actually not someone that's already redeemed it. Never mind. So it's not updating to second. I don't know what's happening. I just want things to not be so shit. Reward redeemed. Start you. So we get that. Doesn't say reward redeemed. Why? Why? Chat's the only thing that works, but the event sub refuses to work. Like, it just doesn't connect and receive stuff. It's because I'm fixing the overlay, Ev, so just, you don't need to talk at the moment. So it's all connected. It just refuses to... Everything refuses to work. It's pointing to the event sub of the fucking Twitch service. This has all the token data. It's got read redemptions and subscriptions. It's got manage redemptions. So even though it's got all of that, it just doesn't connect anything. And I know that it's connecting because it's outputting this, which means it's outputting here, which means it is connecting the reward redeemed to the function. That doesn't throw an exception, so that's not null, and that's obvious, that's a valid signal. So we know that's the case. But it never gets here. Why does it not want to connect? Now's a perfect time for Carnies to be lurking in chat so that I can ask them questions. Like, hey, why is this not working? What's the problem? Explain to me what the issue is. Let's see if we can get that hitting. We connect. Everything's good. There's authenticated. We start. We redeem. Redeem that. That didn't even print. Why is it only connecting that? Why is there only one subscription? Look at them. That's not even the one that I set. Those aren't the scopes that I gave this thing. That's a very different list of scopes. That is a very different list of scopes. Not that that's going to change anything, because those scopes were already set. Like, the redeem scopes were already set. Okie dokie. Still isn't printing them. Remote. Switch. Event sub. Subscription array. You still only have one. Why are you not registering all of these scopes? Get rid of you. Add-ons. Twitcher. Twitch service. Add. Do that. Ah, let's not go crashing tonight, Godot. I might just quit. Connect. You have none. As one. Why is it only getting one? There are so many that I want it to connect to. Rated. That's up. Let's see if they're pointing to the same thing. Those are the exact same nodes. But you don't want to be connected to anything. You just don't want to be set up to anything. Authorized all of the scopes. What could be the issue? What would it be? It's a disconnect inside Twitcher, I think. So we know those are valid. Medium sauce? Sure thing. I will do the medium sauce once I have everything working again, because you can't see the camera at the moment. So there's no real reason. I don't get it. It's a Blair's Death Sauce. It's the Blair's Pure Death Sauce. Right, what I'm gonna do. Get rid of those. Get rid of you. I'm just going to get the new Twitcher again. So I have to go for this one because this requires 4.6, which I'm not using. So we'll go with this one. Get that. Copy. Paste. Last thing I've ever tried is Sam Yang times 2. No idea what that is. So the hot sauce. I'm not getting anything done tonight, so I may as well talk about the hot sauce. Not like we're doing anything else. This one. That's the hot sauce. Well, that's the medium sauce. Sorry. That's the medium sauce. It is the pure death. So all of those have now thrown errors. Was it just a once-off setup thing, or okay? It looks like it was once-off setup thing. Copy this. Paste the client there. Copy you. Paste the secret there. We save. We reload. We go into here. Open this up. We go. Ads. Subscriptions. Okay. And that's all we really need. Authorize editor. Credentials are valid. Good. 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 Reload. Fine. We're going to reload. And hopefully this will force the token to reload. Those aren't the... Overlay scopes. Scopes. Right here. Good. Reload. Why doesn't this want to reload? Revoke it locally. Reload. What? Swear to God, if it now starts saying the token's invalid, I'm going to be very fucking annoyed. You know when everything just starts breaking? And you're like, I don't know if this is gonna keep working. They keep trying to make it work and trying to make it work and trying to make it work, but things just keep breaking, but it always seems to be stuff out of your control. Howdy. Didn't receive it. I only have chat. Why do you only have chat, for fuck's sake? What in all of this is holding on to some cached BS that's preventing it from getting the actual list of scopes and like setting up those subscriptions? What is preventing it from doing that? I've verified the token, I've verified the scopes. Everything's looking correct. But for some reason, under here, it only ever has the chat. It's only ever got channel chat message. Nothing else is ever subscribed to. Even though we've got the bits, we've got the redemptions, we've got the ads, we've got the subscriptions and chat messages and the shout outs and the follows and shield mode and... What? Maybe if I just give it access to everything. Something will trigger it to be like, oh yeah, cool, I'll connect everything. No, still only one thing that it's subscribed to, and that's chat. I'm gonna say it. I'm sick of using third-party plugins. I'm sick of them. It's always fucking something with them. Easy setup and easy to use, my ass. Nothing's fucking subscribing to events. Yep, we call this stuff. Is this updated for the 4.6 stuff? What up, Twig? That's not at all how that looks. Which event sub API subscriptions? So do I need to manually go through and set this stuff up? Even though I've got... follow. Chat clear. Why go through the... Can't the scopes auto-generate this? What happened to my previous instance of this stuff? User messages, subscribe. Chat message deleted. Now chat message. Cheer. Raid. Online. offline. I definitely need to build my own stuff. Shout out received. Redemption ad. Is there anything else that I needed? Message update, settings update. Channel update, channel follow. No, nothing else. All right. Export that. Close you. Quit you. You stay over there. Open this up. Let's grab this. Pop this in here. Connect. Close that. Thought I'd convert my Discord bot to music on Stoat rather than playing it on the VC like you would think. It plays it on the server and it won't stream it. Fair enough. Let's start that. All right. Let's test these redeems again. Someone redeem first. Well, actually, hang on. We have to change that slightly. All right, someone redeem third. That'll tell me if things are working. If things aren't working, then I'm just going to give up for the night. Fix some bugs for the demo, won't we? Pretty sure that's what we were doing. Trying to get motivation to start a project, but with RG prevails. Yep, that does. I know that feel. I know that feel. Stream again after last time. Sure. G'day, Nathir. Alright, let's fix these bugs. Wait for rotating shells to be slowed down. That will be easy. Is it stuck on third again? I don't think it will be. Let me set that to 0. Now give it a try. You know that feel? I've been admiring how dedicated and consistent you've been, especially lately. Wish I had the drive to do so. Trust me, I'm starting to feel the drive drain. Like, nights like tonight where the overlay just doesn't want to work properly. And you spend 2 hours just trying to get the thing fixed. It really makes you just, like, it really just drains all of the drive out of you. Is third fixed now? It changed to late. Beautiful, the overlay's fixed. The overlay's fixed, I can stop worrying about it now. Okay. Finally back onto the normal stream. Finally. What was the fix? I don't know. I just deleted everything and reset everything back up from scratch. I have no idea what the fix was. I'm shocked by how super happy Chipper and excited were last stream. It threw me off. That's because there were no issues last stream. Tonight, there's been nothing but issues. And it's annoyed me. And that puts me in an annoyed mood. Yeah. Yes. Medium sauce. Get that for you. Let's make balls. Oh my god. How the hell have they sealed that? Alright. Let's see. Medium sauce. Pure death. Alright. That's a lot of medium sauce. I've got to hydrate too. There we go. Hot sauce and weak sauce? Sure thing. I will need to go to the fridge to get the hot sauce. But, you know. Alright. I'm going to get this done first and then I'll head off. Switch state to placing. Adjust placement. Let's go into props. Furniture, states, placing. Alright. That should fix that. So let's test this. Go in here. Grab you. So there we go. Beautiful. Implemented. That can probably be implemented too. Alright, so we've just got these two left. There we go. So just got those two to do. Alright, I'm gonna go get this hot sauce. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we back. I'm taking my headphones a little bit. There we go. Voila. I'm all for doing dumb challenges on stream, but I'm not naive enough to do ones that actually harm me. Neither am I. I don't do anything that would harm me. There you go. It's hot sauce. There's the weak sauce. Now, what, you redeemed hot sauce first, so let's do the hot sauce first, as requested. Then we'll do the weak sauce after that. You're not gonna get me again, Dricky. Alright, there you go. Hot sauce. Cheers. What kind of template is that? Which? Which one? Ooh. Ooh, that was hot. Let's get this weak sauce. Ooh. Or are you talking about this? No, I'm not. I can hear myself. OBS is registering me. Yeah. If I can hear myself, you can hear me. Whew. Oh, that hot sauce is... Whew. That's really coming in. Yeah. What template are you talking about, Flippy? Whew. Oh my goodness. That's hot. Whew. It's in my ears. The heat is in my ears. Oh. It's all custom. It's all my stuff. So this is Obsidian. This is NeoVim. This is Waybar. I have them using the OX Proto Nerd font. Whew. This down here is the Terminus Nerd font. And the theme is all just custom Hyperland, Waybar, color theming. You are correct, Flip. Smoke will be coming out the ears very soon. Ooh, that's a spicy meatball. I'm not seeing any clipping issues. There are no clipping issues, I see. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Very much appreciated indeed, especially after the very frustrating overlay not working bug fixing issue that I had this morning, or this evening. It was very frustrating, so thank you for the follows. Much appreciated. Do all boxes fit all objects? Yes. Except... let's put this out here. So you can pack cards away. They all fit. Yep. Or, I don't have any, but buy some of these. Wait for our delivery goblin to show up. Damn, NPC stuck. Ow. Oh, hello. You shouldn't be visible there. pop all these up here. Throw these in there. Yeah. Ooh, we got an issue. That's incorrect. Those are coming too far forward. Might actually just have that flat. Okay. Okay. There's a couple of things there that I need to fix. Let's have a look at our wire cage. Your collider. Goes where? Okay, so it goes all the way forward to there. So let's pop into here. That's the pricing. Move that back ever so slightly. You stay there. That's still too far forward. Back to there. It's about right. Beautiful. Not stuck, just moonwalking. I wish I was smart enough to program moonwalking into this. But yeah, he's out of bounds. I need to set something up for that. Handle NPCs that are outside of a certain area. I don't even... oh. I don't even know how we got out there. I ordered 2 things. Oh, no, I didn't. Never mind. Look at that. Look how good that place is. That's math for you. That's math right there. All of these things are being placed with the exact same math. Excellent. Beautiful. They still have their gap. Okay, so that's a problem. I need to figure out what the issue is there. So it's... Why? 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 That's my only question. My only question is why? Why? Let's pop into here. Close that, close you. Because it's got multiple meshes. Or multiple materials. So we need to make sure we're handing that correctly. Huh. So we've got the toggle hold. And the remove hold. I think what we need to do is have a toggle hold here. And a remove hold. Let's take all those. Get rid of that. So, from here, we need to twist this because there is no shader. So you can just do that. I'm pretty sure all of these. Actually, no. It's got nothing to do with this. It's got everything to do with the delivery box. Everything to do with this. So... why is that? Why is that? Why is that indeed? Ooh, actually, I just saw some stuff. I think there might be some other stuff that's fixed. No. Okie dokie. What? Have you been given a different IP? What the hell? You should have a pinned IP. Attached devices. No, you've changed it too. Okay. Yep, sure. Alright. No. I'm talking to my Raspberry Pi. What? What? MariaDB? List tables. Let's just show tables. Oh damn, Cam's been late 41 times. Dex has been third 37 times and late 17 times.
I bought a Raspberry Pi as a gift for someone and the elders in the room thought it was an actual Pi lol.
Mike has 19 firsts, easily winning on 19 firsts. Vongo is next with 9. Also, Mike has 41 lates, 9 seconds, and 5 thirds.
What's
Gamer? Ooh, Gamer has a choice to make. Gamer is on 69 lates. Is Gamer gonna stay on 69 lates, or are they going to? Is Gamer gonna try and get 69 for all placings? You're Hiroki. There you are. 1 first, 4 seconds, 3 thirds, 7 lates. What are you gonna do, Gamer? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna get 69 firsts, seconds, and thirds as well? Dilemmas, Gamer. Oh no. I'll throw in a 420 for good measures. You just want me to compete? I don't know what you're talking about. Why isn't credits being set though? Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I know why. Oh, all right. I'm going to go into my router for a second. So, what I need to do, I need to pin that IP to that Raspberry Pi. The reason it's not working is because my overlay is hitting 192.167 or 169.1.
Honey, I shrunk the hypnotic games into the router.
1.4. It's hitting that. What would it be? Administration, attached devices, you, question is, let's go into access control, you, edit, I need, like, where can I pin? I've now got to try and find where in my thing. Static routes. No, it's not static routes. Uh-oh. That's not going to kill everything, is it? I hope that's not going to kill everything. It better not. It would suck if it did. Web service management, no. IPv6, no. UPnP, no. WAN setup. LAN setup. I think this is where we do it. Yeah.
Did I hear that correctly? UPnP.
Correct. You want it to be 4. Add. There we go. Diet Pie is now pinned to